This is Mal. What I've got here is a Paclock Universal Core System core. They've been starting to be available at Home Depot. I've got a block of 5. They're used in their padlocks. They're going to be available in Home Depot coming soon. Keyworks. They are restricted in movement, so you can only turn them counterclockwise. You can only turn them clockwise, sorry. Counterclockwise is locked. Clockwise is locked at 45 degrees. Going to be picking this with a 1.2mm Mad Bob's top of keyway tensioner and a 18 thou Peterson's gem. See a lot of slop in the keyway, lots and lots of slop. Very loose too. It's really easy to drop your tensioner. So tensioner control and tension control in here is really important. But anyway, here goes nothing. Let's get this thing open for you. There's an open. Much quicker than I thought it was going to be. Let's try and keep this in focus. Get rid of you. Oh, I think I just lost focus, so we'll see la vie. Okay, let's see. All right, better. Okay, cool. This thing, put this here. See what size of follower I'll need. Looks about right. I think that should be enough to stop it from sticking. I guess we'll have to see. So that was the pin that sticks, that stops it turning. There's a hex grub screw. This is about half an inch long, sticking into the top of the Bible that stops the core from over rotating. So now you can rotate it past a 45-degree angle, and I think I need to do that to get this thing out without sticking stuff. Let's see, can I get this out without making a big mess? Here's hoping. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, let's see. So look in the core. There's that where that back grub screw would play inside the core. Stop it rotating. And pin 1. I believe they're all going to be standards. Standard steel pins. And I'll try and take a pic of a close-up of the pins later because my camera is absolutely shoddy at taking close-ups. Okay, let's see. What's it? Pin 1, shall we? Oh, wrong way around. That's the back. Dur, dur, dur. Pin 1 is a deep serration. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is another serrated. Oh, hold on a minute. It looks like the springs for each one is different. Each one of the cores have a slightly different spring. So let's try and get each spring separately too. It's one spring, pin 1 spring. Pin 2 is a different spring from pin 1. Interesting. It's another spool in 4. Let's get 6 first. Go to the back of the core is hard. That's a spool in 6. And a serration in 5. And you can kind of guess, it looks like the rules they're using for their pins is, let's see if I can get closer here. Can I get closer? Yeah, not bad. Yeah, so the weaker springs, it seems like, are for the spools. In some cases, it looks like pin 6, even though it's a spool, still uses the stronger spring. Weird stuff. Anyway, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully it was useful. I haven't seen any other UCS open apart from Lockpicking Lawyer. So I thought it would be good to get this on camera. Anyway, have a good one guys. Later.